In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Canva projects using tinyURL. Sharing your designs has never been easier. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to streamline your creative process, this method will ensure that your projects are accessible and neatly packaged into a shorter, more manageable link. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can start sharing in no time. First, we need to navigate to your Canva document. Open your preferred web browser and ensure you are logged into your Canva account. If it's your first time logging in, don't worry. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to find and access your projects. After logging in, head over to your project section and select the specific design you want to share. Once you've got your project open, it's time to copy the link. To do this, look for the Share button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right of your Canva project page. By clicking on the Share button, you'll see an option to copy link. Simply click on this option, and just like that, you've copied the direct link to your project. This is a crucial step because this link is what you'll be converting into a tinyURL. Now, with your link ready in the clipboard, let's head over to tinyURL. Open a new tab and type in tinyurl.com. Once you arrive at the tinyURL homepage, you'll notice a field labeled Shorten a long URL. This is where magic happens. Paste your copied Canva link into this field. After pasting your link, look for the button that says Shorten URL. Go ahead and click it. tinyURL will now work its magic and transform your lengthy Canva link into a much more compact version. And there you have it. You're done. You'll see your new shortened URL displayed on the screen. Before wrapping up, it might be a good idea to copy this tinyURL link and test it. Open a new tab, paste the tinyURL link, and hit enter to make sure it redirects to your Canva project. This small step of verification can save you from potential confusion later on. Using tinyURL, you've now efficiently turned a long and cumbersome link into a convenient, shareable format, perfect for emails, social media, or anywhere else you need to share your work. It's a great way to keep everything tidy and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Now go ahead and start sharing those brilliant designs with ease.